Hello and welcome everyone, and I'm going to be talking about dropshipping and how you can do it correctly so you stay current within eBay rules and you don't get banned. So the biggest issue right now that is affecting a lot of newbie sellers is that eBay has been banning arbitrarily a lot of them from doing dropshipping, and this is not new news. In fact, eBay has been cracking down on all kinds of sellers who are not meeting seller expectation and who are doing a very poor job and giving bad experience for everybody else. But now they're cracking down specifically on dropshippers, which is actually, interesting enough, not only a great opportunity for you to make money, it is also eliminating most competition for you in the first place, which actually means that you're going to be making more money if you do this correctly. So before you go ahead and get discouraged, this is something very good news for you. A lot of people are going to be doing it wrong. They're going to get their account suspended or restricted, and you're going to be coming up on top. So what is going on here and what is banned right now? What is banned is eBay doesn't let you do cross-platform drop shipping. It doesn't let you go and take something from another location such as retail arbitrage and buy it from another place and drop ship it and actually make money. Now, how would they actually know? This is a different question here. Most of the time they're not going to know. So unless you actually go ahead and break the rules or somebody complains about you, there is no way they're going to know if you're going and doing drop shipping from another location. But they do want you to have an actual agreement with somebody else who you're doing this drop shipping business with. So if you have an agreement with them, then you're all set and you don't have an issue. So you have a few ways that you can go about this in order to stay compliant with the new rules. One of which is to have an agreement with the platform itself that they're going to go ahead and dropship everything for you. And when eBay asks you for proof, you can give it to them. A second way for you to do this is specifically not to have any agreement, not to have any issue with eBay, but to have everything come directly from your account. So they're not going to even know that you're doing dropshipping. Now this is going to cost you a little extra money, but not too much. So for example, if you're going to be buying from AliExpress a lot of products, instead of shipping them from AliExpress directly to your client, you're shipping it to your location initially. And since it costs almost nothing for them to ship it to you, what you're going to be doing is repackaging the package, making it look so much better, and ship it directly to your client. It's going to cost you a little extra, but it doesn't matter. There's two ways to do the same exact thing. So if you're going to do it like this, after you see that you're getting a lot of clients buying the item from you, you're going to go and order some of those items and have them in stock already. And you can do this with any kind of platform. It doesn't have to be AliExpress. It could be anything else out there that you decide for you to use, such as any retail shop as well. And eBay cannot actually know that you are doing this thing because they're not going to know where it's coming from, because everything gets shipped from your actual location. Now, some people don't want to spend this extra money paying for shipping, but right now, this is going to eliminate most of your competition, puts you ahead of the game, and of course it's going to keep you from getting restricted or banned from eBay. So I totally suggest for you to go ahead and do this method right now until, of course, everything about this dropshipping business is going to all sort out, because eventually not only all your competition is going to get restricted or suspended from eBay, you're going to be coming up on top because you're going to do eBay dropshipping the correct way and everyone else is going to do it wrong. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this clarifies for you how to do dropshipping done right on eBay.